All right, guys, you got me. Vlog number 2. The reception from the initial video was actually pretty decent, and I figured, all right, if that quickly there are that many people that have some interest in this sim racing stuff that I enjoy as well, then I might as well go on ahead and continue sharing some stuff with you guys. And I've been itching to actually get into these boxes. Just finished a long day of recording, a little bit of editing, and well, again, I want to see exactly what's inside of these boxes. So, I'm Chris from AutoAcademics, and this is vlog number 2, where we're going to take a look at an actual true unboxing of the sim hardware that I just got. So let's get to it. Now, unfortunately, you guys missed out on the first box. I already started opening up the pedals. There were some hardware inside, but I didn't open this part yet. This is when I decided to actually record it because the presentation was just so nice that I figured you guys might enjoy it too. So again, this is the Fanatec clubsport V2 pedals, and it comes in this nice cloth bag, pretty cool. So we'll go on ahead and open it up, see what we've got. Ooh. Oh my gosh, these things are sick. All right, look at that. Let me get in a little closer for you guys. Wow, these things are sick. Man, so you can see here in the middle, this is the load cell for the brake that I keep mentioning. Basically that just helps you to get brake pressure instead of brake travel, like most cheaper sim racing pedals have. A load cell offers the pressure. It allows you to adjust the pressure and feel the pressure of the brake pedal similar to a real car, as opposed to the distance traveled of a pedal on some cheaper sets. This should be fun. Again, I've never personally owned anything like this, so I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna try and keep this video as short as possible. I know the last one was kind of long, so I'm gonna try and move quickly. Again, this is just going to be the unboxing, but I wanted to share all this with you guys. So here is the Fanatec clubsport shifter, SQ. Again, that stands for sequential. So let's see here. All right, let's make sure that I'm in frame still. Let's back it up a little bit. All right. So we got our quick start guide, and I forgot to mention that the pedals came with a quick start guide as well. And very nice. We've got the main shifter right here. If I can get it out of the phone. This is pretty well packed in here. Wow. If you remember in the first video, I talked about how substantial this shifter is. Yeah, substantial. This compared to that. Big difference. All right, not too bad. I'll have to figure out what I need to do to actually mess around with it, because I'm not sure, but I'll need to read the directions first. Guess that's why they put a quick guide in there. It also comes with cables, whole bunch of different types of cables, and a different shifter handle as well, which again, this stuff is packed in here really well. It's a nice metal, so you can screw on a different shifter level for when you're either using the 7-speed, and yes, I was correct, it is a 7-speed with reverse, or when you're doing the sequential shifter. You can choose whichever handle you want to use. Nice stuff. All right, moving on. Moving on. Let's put this over here. let's get to this next one. I'm not going to save this one until last this time. I'll go on ahead and open up the wheel base this time. If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, check that out. So they actually put locks on each side of the box to unlock it, to open it. So, let's see. Unlock. Nice. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What? 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 Look at that. Oh, man. I cannot wait to get this on the rig and actually start racing with this. Force feedback reinvented. Yes, it is. That is sweet. Okay. All right. Last but not least, let's get to the actual wheel itself. Again, this is the BMW M3 GT2 wheel. And I didn't say it, but I said it in the first video. This is the Fanatec DD1, the Podium DD1 direct drive wheel. They have a DD2 also, but this is the DD1, which is the lower version of the two. I gotta keep looking to make sure you guys are in my frame here. Okay, another quick guide. And let's see here. Nothing in there. Oh yeah. Look at this. Another nice cloth bag. Let's open her up. I gotta say, Fanatec knows how to do a presentation, if nothing less. Let me give you a close look at this now. Alright, so again, this is the M3 wheel. There go the programmable buttons that I was telling you guys about before. It's got, I think Fanatec calls these the funky switches. You've got the LED display up there, as well as the LED lights down here for the rev meters and stuff like that. I mean, this feels like a real steering wheel. Paddle shifters, as well as the quick release that I mentioned before. Oh, something fell out. Oh, that was the securing bolt. So I will put that, well, I'll figure out where that goes later. Anyway, all right. So that's pretty much it. I know this wasn't a cool, slow motion, got all of the cool little special B-roll sliding effect type stuff that some of the you know, unboxings that you see on YouTube have. This one's pretty basic. This is not really my thing. I'm just sharing the sim racing part with you guys that I enjoy so much, and hopefully you guys will enjoy too. So, I suppose the next video, if there's a next video, because again, it depends on how well you guys receive these videos that I'm doing. But the next video will be once everything's set up on the rig, I'm assuming. And, you know, then we can actually see how it works and go for a little spin. Alright guys, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, by all means subscribe. Also hit that ring the bell notification so that you get an alert every time that AutoAcademics posts a new video. I think that's about it though. Again, trying to keep it short and sweet. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics. Thanks for watching. I didn't forget, I man the camera. Peace.